Blogging is evolving, and it's time to redefine what it means to create content. Imagine a world where you can quickly generate engaging ideas while saving precious hours each week. Our AI for Bloggers course transforms that vision into reality. With the power of artificial intelligence, you'll learn to automate repetitive tasks like keyword research, content structuring, and SEO optimization, freeing you up to focus on creativity and strategy. This isn't just a theory class. It's a hands-on experience designed for every blogger, whether you are starting out or you're a seasoned creator. Throughout the course, you'll dive into comprehensive video tutorials, explore a wealth of prompts to overcome writer's block, and access in-depth eBooks, guides, and audiobooks that walk you through every nuance of integrating AI into your workflow. We also provide a carefully curated selection of AI tools that are tested and proven to streamline your process and enhance your productivity. And there's even more. Most courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. With every lesson, you'll see how AI not only frees up your time, but also amplifies your creative voice, enabling you to consistently produce high-quality content that stands out. If you're ready to elevate your blogging craft and start a new chapter in your creative journey, all AI for Bloggers training courses await you on CompleteAItraining.com.